How to fix TikTok account region not found. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can fix TikTok account region not found. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing that we might want to do is wait for a few seconds and make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on. Make sure that you're connected to the internet and the internet is stable. After you do that, you can also use your mobile data if your Wi-Fi is not working. So after that, what you can do is you can head over to your settings, search for the settings app, open it up. After you open it up, scroll down and there you'll find general. Tap on general and then go to iPhone storage. After you're on your iPhone storage, search for TikTok. There we are. Open it up and there you should find offload app option. Tap on offload app and then offload the app completely. Then reinstall it back again. Reinstalling it back again will basically remove all the cache of your app, and after that the problem should be fixed. If it does not get fixed, what you can do instead is you can just go ahead, go to your app store. On your app store, you can then go to the search bar, search for TikTok, then open up TikTok, and if you see an update button like this, tap on update to update the app completely. Updating the app will remove any unnecessary bugs or any other technical issues which might be causing your region to not be found. So now you can finally open up your TikTok, go to your profile. After your new profile, tap on the three lines on the top right, go to settings and privacy, and after you're here, go to account, and on your account you can then see your account information and your account region right there. And that's how you fix TikTok account region not being found. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.